Is rent default insurance worth the cost? Have you ever wondered if rent default insurance is a smart investment for landlords? Today, we will break down the details to help you decide if it is worth the cost. Rent default insurance, also known as rent guarantee insurance, protects landlords from the financial risk of tenants not paying rent. This policy covers lost rental income for a specific period and can also include legal expenses related to eviction processes. For real estate investors, this insurance acts as a financial safety net. It helps maintain consistent cash flow and protects the return on investment of rental properties. One of the main benefits is that it ensures landlords receive rental income even if tenants default due to financial difficulties or other reasons. Additionally, it often covers legal costs associated with eviction, which can be both expensive and time-consuming. To qualify for coverage, landlords usually need to meet tenant screening criteria. This often includes checking for stable employment and no prior evictions. However, there are some costs and considerations to keep in mind. The average annual premium for rent default insurance can be around $300 per unit, which breaks down to about $25 per month. Some landlords choose to pass this cost on to tenants through a rent increase or may deduct it from their taxes if applicable. Policies can vary widely, so it is essential for landlords to carefully evaluate terms, coverage limits, tenant eligibility, and exclusions. For instance, there may be waiting periods before claims can be made, coverage limits, and deductibles. Some exclusions may include damage repairs or certain property types. For landlords managing multiple properties or those with higher risk tenants, the cost of this insurance may be justified by the financial protection it offers. It can reduce the stress of eviction procedures and help maintain cash flow. On the other hand, smaller landlords or those with low-risk tenants should weigh the cost-benefit balance. They should consider how often defaults occur and their own tolerance for risk. In terms of rental income optimization, rent default insurance can be a helpful tool. It stabilizes cash flow and protects the return on investment. This insurance complements tenant screening and property management efforts by providing a financial backstop. When used strategically, it can reduce unexpected income gaps and legal costs. In many cases, rent default insurance is worth the cost for real estate investors, especially those with multiple properties or higher risk tenants. It offers financial protection and supports consistent rental income, which contributes to maximizing the profitability and stability of investment properties. However, landlords should assess their specific situation and tenant profiles before committing to ensure it meets their needs effectively.